In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly on your WordPress site, a task that we'll complete in about 5 minutes. Calendly is a great scheduling tool that simplifies booking appointments, and embedding it directly onto your WordPress site could streamline both your and your client's scheduling experience. Let's jump right in by heading over to calendly.com. If you're not familiar, Calendly is a user-friendly platform for scheduling meetings without the back and forth emails. Once there, click on the log in button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. If you're already logged into your account, you can skip this step. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your email address and then click continue. Following this step, simply enter your password and click continue again. Once you're logged into your Calendly account, you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your events. Select the event you'd like to embed on your WordPress site and click on Share. This opens up a menu where you'll need to click on Add to Website. Next, choose Inline Embed from the options displayed. This option helps to seamlessly integrate your Calendly event directly onto a page of your website. After selecting Inline Embed, click Continue to proceed. The next prompt you'll see is Copy Code. Click on it to copy the HTML code that you'll need to add to your WordPress page. Now let's shift over to your WordPress website. Once logged into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages, which you'll find in the sidebar. Here you have the option to create a new page specifically for your Calendly event. Click on Add Page, then give your new page a name that fits its content, something like Schedule a Meeting, for instance. Once ready, look for the plus icon, and from the menu that appears, click on Custom HTML. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier from Calendly. After pasting the code, you're almost done. It's always a good practice to preview your page before publishing to ensure everything appears as expected. So click on Preview to see how the embedded Calendly event looks within your page. If everything seems fine and dandy, it's time to publish. Click on the Publish button and voila, your Calendly event is now live on your WordPress site. This method is not only efficient, but keeps your scheduling page looking polished and professional. That's it for embedding Calendly into WordPress. In a few simple steps, you've integrated an effective calendar tool straight into your site. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!